Let's get started. To create the animated videos, we are going to follow 5 simple steps. Step 1 is creating your story. If you already have a script, you can skip this step. But if not, you can use ChatGPT to generate one in seconds. Open ChatGPT and type in your story idea. For this example, I will write a short story about, followed by the story idea. Hit enter, and in moments, ChatGPT will weave an exciting story for you. Now that our script is ready, in step 2, we will create the narration for our story and turn it into audio. Head back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me the narration for each scene of the story." ChatGPT will create the narrations for you. Scroll up to the first scene and copy the script to turn it into audio. For the audio portion, I will show you 2 fantastic options, one that's completely free and another that's very popular and incredibly versatile. Let's start with the popular option. After that, I will show you the free unlimited method. You may skip this and jump directly to the next chapter for the unlimited option. To get started with the first method, open Minimax Audio and sign up with your email. Once you are logged in, you will get 4,000 daily bonus credits for free, enough to handle projects like this. Now head to the left panel and choose Text-to-Speech. Paste your script, the one you copied from ChatGPT, into the text box. For the best quality, set your voice model to Speech 2 Turbo. Then move over to the right panel and click here. A pop-up will appear where you will find a wide variety of voice options. You may also filter by language, accent, gender, and even age to discover your ideal narrator by previewing the audio.
The butterflies are dancing with the rainbow today.
Then click Use to select the voice.
Wonderful.
Once done, you can click this drop-down to add emotional tones to bring the voice to life. It is a wonderful feature that I used to create the narrator voice for this AI film. If you were curious, in this video, I showed the step-by-step process of how I created this sci-fi film using only AI tools. Now back to the tutorial, you may then adjust the speed, pitch, and volume, and then hit generate. In seconds, the narration will be ready.
Sophie was searching her grandmother's attic. Her fingers brushed against an old wooden box, and inside.
Finally, click the download icon to save it directly to your device. Now for the unlimited method to generate text-to-speech, ChatGPT can handle that for you. Simply go back to your ChatGPT conversation. Right below your generated text, you will see some icons. Just click the speaker icon, and ChatGPT will read it aloud in a natural and expressive way.
Sophie discovers a secret. Sophie was searching her grandmother's attic. Her fingers brushed against an old wooden box, and inside.
If you want to change the voice, on the top right, click your profile icon and select Settings. A pop-up window will appear. Click on the Speech tab, and under Voice, use the drop-down to pick a voice you like. You can also switch the language, though Auto-Detect will automatically detect the language based on your system settings. But there is a small catch. There is no option to save the audio. For an easy workaround, open this Chrome extension, and you will need a Chrome browser for that. Now click Add to Chrome to install the extension. And don't forget to pin the extension for quick access later. To record your audio, switch back to your ChatGPT tab and click on the extension. Then hit Record to begin recording. To play the narration, tap the speaker icon and the voiceover will get recorded.
Sophie discovers a secret. Sophie was searching her grandmother's attic.
When finished, click the extension again and hit Stop to stop recording. Once the processing is completed, click on Save to download your audio. And that's it. Now you know how to generate unlimited audio narrations for free. So let's go ahead and learn how to create stunning videos for free. But creating text-to-video directly produces unpredictable results. So instead, in the next step, we will generate images first and then convert them into videos. For this, I will use a very popular tool called Leonardo AI. You may use any other tool like Flux or PicLumen. To generate high-quality images, we will need high-quality prompts. So open this prompt template from the description below. This powerful format will break each of your scenes into 4 to 7 detailed image prompts, ensuring consistent characters, dynamic actions, emotions, and rich environmental details. Simply copy scene 1 from ChatGPT and paste it under Input Scene. You may also adjust the style reference to change the theme. Now copy the entire formatted template and paste it into ChatGPT, then hit Enter. ChatGPT will give you sequential prompts ready for AI image generation. perfect for creating film-like narratives. Now that we have generated prompts for all our scenes, let's transform them into a cinematic storyboard. But before that, let's make some tweaks to ensure perfect character consistency. Copy the Scene 1 prompt, open your preferred text editor, and paste the prompt into the text file for editing. We will then remove both the headers as we don't need them. Now the character details given inside the brackets are not enough to produce consistent characters. So I will replace it with a detailed character description. You may tailor the character's look, update their outfit, hair, or eyes to fit your story. Then apply this updated character profile to all the remaining prompts. This guarantees your character looks and feels consistent across every scene. And just like that, we are ready to generate our unified storyboard. Now we will scroll up, copy the first prompt, and open Leonardo AI using the link in the description. Head to the image creation section from the left panel and paste the prompt into this prompt box. On the top left, click Model Preset and choose the Phoenix model, as the Flux model burns a lot of credits. Then set the image dimension to 16 by 9 and make 4 as the number of images to generate at once. Click the Generate button and your images will be ready. Repeat these steps for all the prompts, convert them into images, and then download them. Remember to download at least 2 images from each prompt to have more options when creating the video. Now we have all the images needed for our story video. We have gone from a simple idea to a complete script and even created amazing pictures and voiceovers entirely for free. Now, let's transform these images into videos. We will use One.Video, a completely free AI tool for creating videos from images or text. You can install it locally for unlimited generations, but you will need a decent graphics card. So we will use the web version since it's free and accessible to everyone. On the bottom left corner, click the Login button and sign in with your Google or GitHub account. Once logged in, click on AI Video and you will land on this page. Here you can generate either text to video or image to video. Under Image to Video, you can either upload an image or toggle this button to upload a start frame and an end frame to generate motion between them. I will upload this image. Just below is the prompt box, where you can describe the motion you want to see in your images. If you don't know how to write motion prompts, enter your basic idea of the movement and click on this Enhance Prompt button. And the AI will enhance the prompt. Click Use it to select the prompt. Then if the inspiration mode is enabled, it will enrich the visuals and improve expressiveness. But the result may differ from your input image. And if you enable sound effects, it will generate sound effects or background music for the video. Once done, click the Generate Video button and the generation will begin. But generating a video sometimes takes more than an hour. So it's best if you can install it locally from this GitHub repo. This will allow you to generate unlimited videos for free without any watermark. To convert the other images into videos, I will use an amazing tool. Open HaloAI.video and from the left panel, click Create Video. Now select the Image to Video tab and click here to upload one of the images you downloaded from Leonardo AI. In the prompt box, enter a basic motion you want to see in the video. Then make sure to enable this button that enhances your prompt. This is very important if you don't want to write detailed motion prompts. Next, select the base image to video model and click Generate. As we had downloaded 2 images from each prompt, let's upload the second image and generate the video. Once both videos are ready, compare them and choose the one you prefer for your film. Repeat this process for all the images and convert them into videos. Once done, save the best videos in a folder to keep them organized. This is how you can transform images into videos in just a few minutes. The final step is to bring everything together. For this, I will use a free online video editor called Clipchamp, but you can use any editing software you are comfortable with. Go to clipchamp.com and click on Try for free. Then log in with your email ID. Now click on Create a new video, and you will land in this video editor page. Import all the video clips we created by dragging and dropping them into the left panel. Once done, drag the videos one by one into the timeline and arrange them in the right order. You can also trim out unnecessary parts of the clips if needed. Finally, import the narrations we recorded earlier in the video and drag them to the timeline. To download the final video, simply click the Export button in the top right corner, select your preferred resolution, and it will be downloaded to your computer. And here is the result.